The top song? TikTok. Nope, not the video service. The top movie? Inception. I think we're doing this looping again and again. The year is 2010. And what does that have in common with today? Well, it's about the time that most of your members' cars were built. Yeah, the average used car is about 12 and a half years old now, which means there are a lot of potential costly repairs and the challenges of total losses, because even the smallest issue, the insurer is going to want a total loss that sucker. So what can you do as a credit union to help your members preserve their financial well-being and avoid any financial negative spirals that could occur out of that? Think of your protection products. Think of selling, offering other things, and seeing how you can help them now so that they're aware of those things moving forward. I'm Joe Wynn. See you, Geek. And until next time, live long and prosper. And whatever we did in 2010.